Ordering food at a restaurant. Waiter. Good evening. Welcome to the food spot. May I take your order? Customer. Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and a glass of lemonade, please. Waiter. Would you like fries with that? Customer. Yes, please. Waiter. Great. Your order will be ready in 10 minutes. Customer. Thank you. Asking for directions. Tourist. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station. Local. Sure. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see the station on your right. Tourist. Thank you so much. Local. You're welcome. Have a great day. Shopping at a store cashier. Hello. How can I help you today? Customer. Hi. I'm looking for a new phone. Do you have any recommendations? Cashier. Yes. This model is very popular and has a great camera. Customer. That sounds perfect. How much is it? Cashier. It's $299.99. Customer. Okay, I'll take it. Talking to a new friend person 1. Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name? Person 2. Hi, Alex. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you. Person 1. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Person 2. I'm from Canada. And you? Person 1. I'm from the U.S. What do you do? Person 2. I'm a student. I love learning English. Person 1. That's great. Let's practice together. Sure. Booking a hotel room receptionist. Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Hotel. How can I help you? Guest. Hi. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights. Receptionist. Sure. Would you like a single or a double room? Guest. A double room, please. How much does it cost per night? Receptionist. It's $120 per night, including breakfast. Guest. That sounds good. I'll take it. Receptionist. Great. Please fill out this form. At the doctor's office. Doctor. Good morning. What brings you here today? Patient. I have a headache and a sore throat. Doctor. How long have you had these symptoms? Patient. For about 3 days. Doctor. I see. Let me check your temperature. You have a slight fever. I'll give you some medicine. Patient. Thank you, doctor. Making an appointment receptionist. Hello. This is Sunshine Dental Clinic. How can I help you? Caller. Hi. I'd like to book an appointment with doctor. Smith. Receptionist. Sure. When would you like to come? Caller. Do you have any slots available this Friday? Receptionist. Yes, we have an opening at 3 p.m. Does that work for you? Caller. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Receptionist. You're welcome. See you on Friday. Buying a bus ticket. Passenger. Excuse me, I'd like to buy a ticket to New York. Ticket seller. One way or round trip? Passenger. Round trip, please. Ticket seller. That will be $50. Passenger. Here you go. What time does the next bus leave? Ticket seller. The next bus leaves in 30 minutes. Passenger. Great. Thank you. Returning an item at a store customer. Hi. I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit me. Cashier. Do you have the receipt? Customer. Yes, here it is. Cashier. Would you like a refund or an exchange? Customer, I'd like an exchange for a bigger size. Cashier, no problem. Let me get that for you. At the airport check-in counter agent. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Passenger, sure. Here they are. Agent, thank you. Do you have any checked baggage? Passenger, yes, this suitcase. Agent, okay, your luggage is within the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Gate 12, boarding starts at 10 a.m. Passenger, thank you so much. Ordering coffee at a cafe barista. Hi, welcome to Java Cafe. What would you like to order? Customer, hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please. Barista, what size? Small, medium, or large? Customer, medium, please. Barista, great. That will be $4.50. Customer, here you go. Barista, thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a minute. Asking for help in a store. Customer, excuse me, can you help me? Salesperson, of course. What are you looking for? Customer, I need a dress for a wedding. Do you have anything in blue? Salesperson, yes. Let me show you some options. What size do you need? Customer, medium, please. Salesperson, here you go. You can try them in the fitting room. Talking to a taxi driver passenger. Hello, I need to go to Central Park. Taxi driver, sure. Do you want to take the highway or the city route? Passenger, the highway, please. It's faster. Taxi driver, all right. Should I drop you at the main entrance? Passenger, yes, that would be perfect. How much will it cost? Taxi driver, around $15. Passenger, that's fine. Thank you. Making a phone call to a friend. Caller, hey Sarah, how are you? Friend, hi, I'm good. How about you? Caller, I'm great. Are you free this evening? Let's meet for coffee. Friend, that sounds nice. What time? Caller, how about 5 p.m. at Cafe Delight? Friend, perfect. See you there. Caller, see you soon.
I hope you found these sentences useful. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try using these sentences in your daily conversations. Let me know in the comments which sentences were new for you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more videos like this. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep practicing.